G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today, as you can see here, we have two chargers. Now the X2 charger here, it's an 80 watt by two channel charger that I reviewed a couple of weeks ago or so. So today we're going to have a quick look at the X4, which is basically just a 4-channel version of this X2. The difference between these two is obviously this one is larger, as you can see by the size of the box. This runs 100 watt per channel here, whereas the X2 runs 80 watt per channel. Now the X4 charger has pretty much the same specs as the X2 model that I've already reviewed. As far as chemistry of the batteries, guys, so you got your Ni-Cads, nickel metal hydrides that can charge up PB batteries, lithium batteries, and obviously lipos. All right, guys. This one does weigh pretty much just double the size of this one at 1,553 grams, whereas this one was 870 grams. All right, so we're going to have a quick look, guys. Basically what I'm going to show you here in this video is how to use the 4 channels and just demonstrate that it can charge 4 batteries at the same time. All right, so let's open the box. I'll quickly show you what we get, and then we'll charge up 4 different batteries in different modes. Okay guys, so here is everything that we get in the box. Obviously we get the user manual here, which you should have a look at and read. We've got a sticker here from GTPower. And basically we've got double of everything that we got with the X2 version, the 2-channel chargers. So we have 4 of these bullet connector leads. 2 of them are Dean's plug and 2 are XT60. We have 4 balance boards here. Okay, 4 of these balance leads to connect to each channel of the charger itself. And we've got some assortment of little adapters here, as you can see. Some of them have got alligator clips, okay, servo wire, and a Dean's to Tamiya, and obviously our power cord here. Okay, now as you can see, this is a bit bigger than the 2-channel model. Okay, on the back we have 2 rather large fans. The X2 model had 2 smaller fans on each side. This one does not. We've got our AC power input, the DC power input as well, and a couple of USB ports as well, and there's some specs as well, which are on the box anyway. All right guys, so on the front here we have the 4 channels to plug into to charge each battery up, and we've got on the face here your standard screen here like on any other hobby grade charger, and we've got 4 LED light indicators for each channel. Other than that, all the buttons are standard issue buttons that you find on most hobby grade chargers. All right guys, so let's connect this up, connect 4 batteries up, and then I'll just show you how each channel works. Okay guys, so I've got the X4 charger all set up, as you can see here, with 4 different lipos. I've got 2 XT60 3S batteries here, and I've got 2 Dean's plug 2S batteries on this side. So yeah, there's quite a bit of wiring here guys, so make sure you connect up one at a time. Just grab a set of leads and connect them up, put that to the side, and just keep them as separate as possible. All right, do not cross over like the leads, otherwise you'll probably short out the actual charger or even start a fire. So make sure you do one at a time. All right, it's pretty much common sense anyway. So anyway guys, I've got it set to channel 1. I've already preset these just to save time. What we're going to do is a lipo charge on the just a normal lipo charge on the first 3S battery here. Okay, just like I showed in the other review of the X2 model, you can actually go through the settings here, which is standard settings on all different chargers. We've got the lipo battery meter, okay, so you can measure the voltages. As you can see, it's all in balance charge here, 3.83. okay, we can get out of that, and we can check the resistance as well. Okay, I'm not going to do it for all 4 of them because I did cover that in the previous review of the X2 charger. So 08, 0408. All right, so we're going to go back and just start doing a normal lipo charge. Hold it down. Okay, now that's charging up on channel 1. Okay, so since that's going, we're going to go on to channel 2 on this second 3S. So what we want to do is just hit the channel select. As you can see, the LED light indicates we're on channel 2. Now I've already preset this for a LiPo balance charge. This is in storage rate already, so we're just going to go ahead and hold down the button. And we've got the second 3S LiPo here, doing a balance charge. Go over to the next one, channel 3, which is this little 2S LiPo here from ZD Racing. I've got it on a fast charge, so we're just going to hit that one there. It's a 7.4 volt. Now this 2S is doing a fast charge at 1.5 amps because it's only a little 1500 milliamp hour. Alright, on to the last but not least, the Ovonic 5200 milliamp hour 50C 2S LiPo. I've got this on LiPo storage rate just here on the screen. Hopefully you can see this from this distance because I had to bring the camera back a bit to show you the actual batteries and the charger. And I've got it set to 1 amp. You can only set these to 1 amp when you're doing a storage charge. You can't go any higher. 7.4 volt storage rate. Hold it down once again. Confirm. And we have the final battery here, the Ovonic 5200 50C 2S on a storage charge or storage rate. It will just cut off when it hits the storage rate. Alright guys, so that's basically it. We can go and see the status of each one. So we're back on channel 1 here. I can see that it has been charging for 2 minutes. We've got 164 milliamp hours charged into the battery. It's charging at 5 amps. It's currently at 11.84. Channel 2, status of that one, it's on a balance charge. 3S, 4 amps. 11.73 volt, been charging for 1.5 minutes, and it has put in 110 milliamp hours. Channel 3, we've got this small LiPo here, the 2S here, 1500 milliamp hour on a fast charge. It's been charged for 1.5 minutes, 39 milliamp hours so far at 1.5 amps. So it's a really pretty low amperage on that one because you can't really, you know, I recommend you don't charge at 3 amps or anything like that. You probably get away with 2 amps, but I just like to charge up to match the milliamp hours so there's no swelling of the battery. I've had that happen before, believe me. Okay, so channel 4, the 2S LiPo and storage rate, and it's been going for 1.5 minutes, and it's put in 18 milliamp hours so far at 0.7 of an amp. Alright guys, so that's basically it. You can probably hear the ducted fans at the back going. They're both on and running pretty well there. Alright, it's a little bit warm today in the shed here. So thanks very much for watching guys. That's my review on the X4 100 watt by 4 channel charger. Just a quick review and to go over this particular workings of this charger. Thanks very much for watching once again. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. I'll try to find a link where you can buy this one, and I'll leave it in the description below. Sometimes these GTPower chargers are hard to find online. Some retailers don't stock it, and you might sometimes find it on AliExpress or Banggood. So if I can find a link to it, I'll definitely put it in the description below. You can check it out for yourself. For me, I'm definitely going to use this charger when I need to. If I want to charge up 4 batteries like I am doing now, and I'm in a bit of a hurry, I'm definitely going to go for this 4-channel one, especially if I want to do some bashing videos or speedrun videos. I'm taking multiple cars. I'll definitely going to use this X4 charger. It's a decent charger, guys. So anyway guys, thanks once again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. In the meantime, take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.